What's the haps, everyone? Hey, I'm Coach Megan, and we're gonna go over some pointers for your mill circle or stride circle. This is a really fun trick, and it's like being on the roller coaster, like the one over there. So let me show you one first, so you know what it is. In the level 2 gymnastics routine. So in the beginning, of course, tight legs. Duh. You like my new star pants? I love them. You want to have your shoulders and hips as straight as possible, because if you twist too much like this, then oh yeah, that's not really gonna work out. Your hands, of course, turn them backwards, please. So feel it right here in the beginning. I can still feel it, by the way. It hurts pretty bad. But doing gymnastics kind of toughens you up a little. You can do it. You want to lift the front leg and think about getting your toe. I'm literally reaching mine into the ocean and pulling out a big oyster shell with a pearl. Big one. I love pearls, they're so pretty. So don't drop this front leg right away when you go, because then it's not gonna work. And keep your chest straight, because a lot of people will go and they'll go like this. See how I folded my chest down? Whoa, yeah, that's just not really gonna work. So think this leg up and extending, with the back leg having the bar on that spot, like I said. And your legs are gonna stay open, open, open. I'm looking straight ahead as I go, and your head stays straight the whole time. You don't wanna, do some head rolls in the middle. And then when I come up, I try and focus on a spot, maybe the same spot you were looking at. We call it spotting. As you come up, and that can really help you. And also I noticed that you gotta tighten your stomach a lot on the way up. Try not to arch your back, because if you arch on the way up, you're just gonna fall backwards, and then you're not gonna make it. So really tight stomach. Keep your body like from here to here. Think about it, keep staying straight the whole time. Like you're in your grandma's rocking chair? I don't know. And your back is just straight. And as you go about halfway, maybe a little more than half, you have a nice big opening with your legs here. And I notice right when I pass upside down, I kind of pull my front leg a little bit closer to the back one, and it seems to give me some like oomph. You know what I mean? Like they're a little bit more open in the beginning, and then they close just a tiny bit more towards the end. Now we have to go over safety. Safety first, everyone. So, of course, hands backward. What you can do, it's the same. If you don't make it, if you're like, oh no, I'm not gonna make it, you just turn your hands back around. So I'll do one with the wrong way, dropping my chest like I'm not gonna make it. So I'm going, I'm not gonna make it. I turn my hands, you see that? Because if you keep them here, it's just, might be a little bit harder for you. This is a little safer, then you have a better grip on the bar. And then you can just bring one hand over and come down. down. I don't want to touch my feet because the sand looks kind of yucky today because it just rained. So I'm going to chin back up. Remember to do your strength, everyone. Leg lifts, V-ups, any kind of abs, chin-ups, chin-up pullovers, just like I'm doing. Any kind of those things are going to get you stronger and safer for doing this trick. So when you start out for this, you might want to just practice going forward so you're used to it, and then turn your hands back around. That's what I have some of my kids, students do that I teach. So they'll start here. You can even hold this position with your hands backwards so you get the feel of it. And then you can slowly go forward. Maybe don't worry about your form for when you're first doing this. Just to get used to it, you can do the bad form and then get your chest close to your knee. Go really, really slow. Tuck your chin and turn it back around just so you can get the feeling. Then you can hang upside down here first with your hands normal, like this. And that would be the next thing. And then get a spot.